Hi everyone, welcome to Larte Design YouTube channel. Today we've got two iconic vehicles. We've got the stock BMW X6 LCI and look at this one. The BMW X6 LCI was Larte Design body kit. My name is Elizabeth and today in this video we will be comparing two BMW X6 LCIs, one stock version and one Larte Design version. Today we will be talking about the rear, the front, the sides. Okay, so let's compare the two. Let's dive in. Let's first start with the stock version. As you can see, the stock version has a very soft, normal rear diffuser. We've got the muffler tips, nothing special, right? We've got the spoiler, we've got a little bit of a spoiler here. So this is the normal stock version of the BMW X6 LCI, but it doesn't feel extraordinary yet, right? Because now look at this Larte version BMW X6 LCI. This is something very unique and individual. The first thing you see, of course, are the brake lights. They're special and something that is done only at Larte Design. And if you look to the top, you've got an additional spoiler, which looks very sporty and has a shark fin design. Now, it's very important to mention that all materials, all parts of the body kit are manufactured, designed in Germany in-house. Now, question for you. Take a look at the stock version and the BMW X6 LCI by Larte Design. Which one do you prefer? So now let's take a look at the front. Do you see this massive hood? This looks very masculine. Now look at all these lines. They're coming from the top. Now if you look at the stock version of the BMW X6, you don't see this kind of light. So this is very unique. This looks very individual. Now we've got also on the hood the special Larte logo. This hood is one piece. It's fully made in Germany. It's also TÜV certified, so it's very safe for you to drive. It's not only about looks, but it's also about the safety. If we look here below, we've got the two-piece splitter. It has very interesting design moments. It gives the car very elegant and very sporty look. Now, if you look at the standard version, the stock version of the BMW X6, it looks very normal, it looks very soft. Yes, it looks elegant, but there's nothing really extraordinary. So this body kit on this BMW X6 Larte Design version is painted in body color. It's glossy black, as you can see. But if you think that this looks a little bit boring, let's say, you can also get the full body kit in carbon fiber version. This looks even more aggressive and even more eye-catching. So once again, all parts of the body kit are produced, developed, made and designed in Germany in-house by Larte Design. We are not finished yet. Let's take a look at the side of the car. First of all, we start with the stock version. We take a closer look at the fenders on the side. As you can see, it looks very classy, also very simple, but to me it looks kind of empty. Also take a look at the side skirts. And when we talk about the wheels, it has a very simple BMW design. Now, if we talk about the Larte version of the BMW X6, we've got the very special wheels, which we talk about later. Now look at the side of the BMW X6 by Larte Design. We've got here special design for the fenders. As you can see, it gives the car a very wide look and makes the car look very special. Now also on the bottom you've got a Larte logo, which makes it even more individual. The BMW X6 by Larte has also got the side skirts, which make the car sporty. You can see the fenders are here painted in the body color, so it's glossy black, but it's also available in carbon fiber. So I feel like carbon fiber would make the car look even more exclusive. Now we have to talk about the 23-inch Larte designed wheels. Take a closer look. We've got a black on black combination. We've also got the special Larte logo to make it more individual. We've got also a variety of different options for you. So find the design that fits your car. So now for the reference, let's take a look at the stock version wheels. Here you can see a very simple stock design, which looks elegant, but if you ask me, I would say go for the Larter version. It looks very special, individual. So question for you now, which one would you actually go for, the stock version or the Larter version? So now question for you guys, which one do you actually like design-wise? Was it the stock BMW version or the Larter version? Let us know which parts you like the most on the Larter version. Was it the rear? Was it the front of the car? Was it the sides? Which one did you enjoy the most? If you like the full body kit, hit us up. We've got more details for you. We will also leave everything in the comments below in the description. So if you've got any question, just contact us. We are happy to assist you to get the car of your dreams. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment in the comments below, tell us which cars you want to see in the next video. So it's important to mention that all the Larter body kit components are manufactured, designed and produced in Germany. We also ship worldwide. Moreover, we've also got more body kit versions for your Mercedes, Cadillac or Porsche. So let us know which one you're interested in modifying and making it the car of your dreams. And we hope to see you in the next video.